Want to build a successful career in AI and future-ready technologies, but confused about what to learn and where to begin? No worries, we're here to guide you. Welcome to Success GenAI Training Institute, an industry-focused AI and IT training institute dedicated to helping students and professionals from both IT and non-IT backgrounds build practical, job-ready technology skills. Coming to our mission is to bridge the gap between learning and industry by providing accessible, practical, and future-ready AI and technology education. Our vision is to build future-ready professionals for the evolving technology industry. Explore our AI courses at Success GenAI, Generative AI, Agentic AI, Data Science with GenAI, Machine Learning, Azure DevOps, Snowflake, coming to our services, classroom training, online training, workshops, real-time projects, internships, corporate training. Having any queries about our AI courses, training programs, or enrollment, contact us today. Visit Success GenAI Training Institute, located on the 10th floor, Manjira Trinity Corporate, KPHB 3rd Phase, Hyderabad. Our team is here to guide you on your AI career journey. Thank you.